Hi friends, so today we are making mango custard trifle. A very easy and simple recipe. So the ingredients are mango custard, cream, cake pieces, mango jelly, mango slices. The recipe is very easy. Prepare custard by adding 4 tablespoons of custard powder in 2 cups of milk and stir it well. Now pour 2 cups of water and put 4 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan and keep stirring. Add mixture of custard in the saucepan slowly and cook for 5 minutes and stir it continuously. Leave it to cool down at room temperature or refrigerate to make better layers. Now take serving dish. Make first layer of mango custard. Second layer of cake pieces. Again mango custard. Then pour mango jelly on the surface to make fourth layer. Put mango slices to make the fifth layer. Now spread cream to make sixth layer. The last and the seventh layer will be of mango custard again. Now garnish with cream and mango slices. It's ready. Very delicious, very easy and sweet.